Yeah, we have a lot of different species here at the Reptile Discovery Center at Smithsonian's National Zoo. Our most charismatic ones are going to be our Aldabra giant tortoises. And the two big ones that we have, we got as adults in the wild in 1976, so we don't quite know how old they are. But we think they're at least 80 years old, at least, and they can be as old as 255, so somewhere in that range. And we just got in two young ones that are about 5 years old that we got from the Omaha Zoo, so they'll be here for another 100, 200 years, yeah. So we'll be long gone by the time they're ready to go. So for a lot of the tortoises we have here at the Reptile Discovery Center, a bunch of them are in some breeding program. So ones that you can see on exhibit are spider tortoises, and they are actually a product of a breeding program. So we bred them here in 2015. So they're actually the same age as the Aldabra babies that we have here. And yeah, so that was a breeding that we did here. We also have our impressed tortoises and radiated tortoises are also in conservation breeding programs as well that we're hoping to pair pretty soon. So a lot of folks don't realize the United States is home to a lot of endangered species. So we have some pretty cool animals just in our own backyards. So close to the National Zoo, we have the Shenandoah salamander, only found in a national park, about like an hour-and-a-half drive from the zoo. And they're an endangered species. So many people don't realize we have them in our own backyards. Definitely things like kind of being aware of your carbon footprint can really help. Some animals are affected by global warming, which is a hot button issue, and things like that. But there's definitely things that you could do personally to try and help the environment be a better place for kind of high mountain dwelling species. Other ones, say for like different tortoises and stuff like that. Like I think you guys said you might be working with desert tortoises as well. It's just kind of being aware of respecting habitat that animals are living in, try and do things like trash pickups and things like that. Don't litter, right? Things like that can always kind of help animals out as well.